Just as a heads up, everybody, tape is not waterproof. If that's how you seal your mini split joint in the wall, it will eventually leak. Also, they make glue for PVC joints. I recommend using that as well. Everything put all back together and properly insulated. All the way down. And see, this is odd for a place that's had obvious drain trouble. There is not a float switch anywhere on this unit other than this one. But there's nothing to stop it if it gets in the pan. So we're gonna have to add one of those.